สวัสดีค่ะ Lesson 24 Merry Christmas! How to say Merry Christmas in Thai? Well, it's สุขสันต์วันคริสต์มาสสุขสันต์วันคริสต์มาสสุขสันต์วันคริสต์มาสสุขสันต์วันคริสต์มาส Remember the word สุขสันต์สุขสันต์ means happy followed by the festival. One Christmas. One means day and then Christmas, just Christmas, but we did not pronounce the T. So we just say Christmas, or actually Christmas. We did not even pronounce the S at the end of the word. สุขสันต์วันคริสต์มาส and that's it. So, Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful time of the year with your family. And if you're alone, just know that you're not alone because I'm also alone too. And I hope you have a nice time during Christmas and have a nice evening. And that's it for today. ขอบคุณที่รับชมค่ะ Thanks for watching my video. And if you like it, please click like and subscribe my channel for more videos. And thanks for all the support. I wish you a really, really wonderful Christmas. สุขสันต์วันคริสต์มาส and see you next time. Bye!